Friends, here we are talking about alternative way to practice with JMESPath expressions. See, suppose if Cloud CLI setup is not configured, then how to practice with JMESPath expressions? So for that, there are different ways. They are, we can use online editors, or we can also use JP command line tool. First, let me open any one of the online editor. This is one of the online editor where we can practice with the JMESPath expressions. See, suppose I want to practice with AWS CLI JSON response data. Then here I will provide sample JSON response data. So for that, what I do is, suppose let's say here I am searching with sample output for AWS IAM get user. So just open this link, scroll down, somewhere you will see sample response. See, this is the sample response. So that data I will provide here. For time being, let's say username as EC2 admin. Now let's say I want to get this object by using this key. So for that we need to write JMESPath expression that we have to write here. So here I am writing user. See. Now let's say I want to get this value. So for that, first you have to get this object. From that object, with respect to this key, you can get this value. So simply user dot user name. See the result. That's it. Now this is the JMESPath expression. Suppose if AWS CLI is configured on your host, then this JMESPath expression you can pass for your AWS CLI command with ---- query parameter. So here I am doing ---- query inside quotations, double or single. That's it. And of course, there is one more way, that is using JP command line tool. So in order to use JP command line tool, you have to install it. That is based on your operating system. See, suppose as of now, my operating system is, let's say, Linux. So here just open this link, and here let's say mine is AMD64. Just give right click, then copy link address, then go to any location, let's say temp location. Then here using wget command, download that JP. Now let me rename that JP Linux AMD64 to JP, and then I am providing execution permission for it. Then I am moving this to, let's say, user local bin JP. Now with JP it is there. Now let me copy this sample response. Let's say vi sample.json. Now simply use jp-f sample.json. Must provide at least one argument. That is nothing but basically your required JMESPath expression. See, suppose here I am providing, let's say, user. That's it. Suppose I want to get, let's say, user name. That's it. Okay, thank you.